Welcome to the Total Money Makeover video guide, based on the best-selling book by finance guru Dave Ramsey. In this video, we'll explore the key principles of managing money, eliminating debt, and achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll cover 10 essential steps you can follow to achieve financial independence based on your proven principles. Section 1. Creating a solid foundation. To start your total money makeover, you need a solid foundation. Step 1 is to establish a $1,000 emergency fund. This will act as your financial cushion and protect you from unexpected expenses. Dave suggests building this emergency fund as your first priority before tackling any debt. Excellent advice. Now, let's move on to the next step. Section 2. Debt Snowball Strategy. In Step 2, we'll explore powerful debt snowball strategy. The debt snowball method involves listing all your debts smallest to largest and then paying them off in that order. Start by attacking the smallest debt while continuing to make minimum payments on the rest. This strategy helps build momentum and keeps you motivated as you eliminate one debt at a time. Great advice! Let's move on to Step 3. Section 3. Building an emergency fund. Now, let's focus on building a fully funded emergency fund. Step 3 involves increasing your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund will provide a safety net during unexpected life events. By having this financial cushion, you'll be able to face any unforeseen circumstances without falling into debt. Sound advice. Our viewers will surely benefit from implementing this step. Section 4. Investing and Wealth Building. Now that we've covered the foundation, it's time to shift our focus to investing and wealth building. Step 4 involves maximizing your contributions to retirement accounts and investing wisely. By allocating your income to growth-oriented investments, you'll position yourself to build long-term wealth. Investing is a crucial part of achieving financial freedom, and Dave breaks down the essentials in his book. Fantastic insights! Let's move forward to Step 5. Section 5. Paying off the mortgage early. In Step 5, we'll dive into paying off your mortgage early. By making additional principal payments on your mortgage, you can significantly reduce the time it takes to become completely debt-free, including your home. Dave's strategies are designed to save you thousands of dollars in interest payments and free up funds for other financial goals. Incredible advice! Our viewers will be excited to implement these strategies. And that's a wrap. We hope this video guide based on the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey has given you the tools and inspiration to gain control of your finances, eliminate debt, and work towards financial independence. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage it. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us. We encourage our viewers to pick up your book and start their own financial journey today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Stay tuned for our next video on smart investing strategies.